Hello again, this is Gabriel GELEVEN with another quick Twinmotion 2020 tutorial. In this episode I'm going to show you how to multiply objects fast when you need a scene with a context of many objects in a row and you don't want to spend the time arranging them one by one. You can actually do that by selecting the object and copy, paste, and it will ask you if you want an instance of the original object or a copy. You can do that, drag it, and then copy paste it again, but you surely don't want to lose time doing this. So I'm going to show you how you can quickly fill this patio with chairs in no time. It's very easy actually. You want to have a distance between them and you have a number of chairs on a row. You can do this with any other object like fence poles or benches or decals on a road, bricks, anything you want quickly arranged in rows and multiplied. So let me show you how to do this. Instead of copying and paste it, you just need to hold Shift while you have the object selected. Hold Shift, take the arrow, and move it at the distance you want, one from the other. Then release it, and this dialog will be slightly different. It will ask you if you want instance of the original or copy, the number, and the distance that's already established by you. So you can adapt distance. So let's say we need 10 chairs at the distance that I already wanted. And then just click OK. So there. The difference between choosing an instance and a copy is that if you choose an instance, then you will not be able to edit the instance because it will keep the properties of the original. Therefore, if you need to change something to a specific chair from this row, you need to make them as copies. If you want to fill this patio with chairs, all you need to do is select all the chairs in the list manager and repeat the same command holding Shift, duplicating the row behind and choosing the number of copies. Let's say we need 5 rows of 1 meter distance in between. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. Feel free to practice with this command and you'll see how easy it is to multiply objects and save a lot of time. Please follow my next videos, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below, and check my next releases to see what's up.